Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know about a visual redesign change and layout change that Google has made to Collections, which was previously renamed to Saved, as many of you may well know. And I have posted a couple of videos on Collections, so if you want more info, just do a search on the channel. Now, here we go. So previously, your interests, your saved, liked, and followed were all here listed at the top. And I have noticed over the last day or so that your saved, your liked, and your followed have now been put into this left-hand navigation menu. So I think that's a nice move in the right direction, because it's now bringing it more in line with your other platforms, where, as an example, in your different browsers, you have your menu options to the left-hand side in settings and so on. In Chrome OS, you also have your settings to the left-hand side if you are using the actual settings. The same applies to Windows 10 and Windows 11. And I think this is a nice move. It just makes the look and feel a lot more user-friendly, in my opinion. And I think it just brings it in line now with other OSs and platforms across the board. So your followed, as many of you know, are searches you are following. And then your liked, you can add videos you've liked, web articles, and more, and you'll find them here. And then obviously you're saved, and you can have your different saved collections. I've got favorite pages and products that I like, so you can rename those collections anything that you would like to, but just bringing your main attention to the fact that this has been changed, this layout change, and bringing it more in line, I think, across the board with other platforms. And just wanted to bring your attention to that if you do find yourself using Collections, which, as mentioned, has been renamed to Saved, and you are tied into the Google ecosystem. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.